Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at an awesome tool called UnitySelect. So it allows you to quickly select objects in your scene and save time, I guess, doing that. So here it is. We're going to mainly take a look at the type selection, which allows you to select objects that have specific components on them, such as selecting all these nodes without needing to scroll down and hit shift and control and whatnot. So with the type selection tab open up, let's hit update list, and this will simply grab a list of all components in your scene, which isn't that helpful. So a recent feature that I've added is your ability to edit the list, right? And I'll just get rid of all these objects that come pre-installed with Unity. Stay with the specific objects that I've created. I think that's good enough. Hit done, and this drastically reduces the list. I forgot this Unity UI engine shared objects. Oh, there we go. So I can now quickly select all node objects in my scene and begin to well, customize them, I guess.